विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबल स्टडी करणार आहोत. मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबलच्या अगोदर आपण डोबेरानस-स्टेट, न्यूलँड्स लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्ह्ज अँड मेंडेलिव्स पिरियडिक टेबल हा स्टडी केलेला आहे. Dear students, today we start the classification of element. Our latest classification of element given by Henry Moseley, and that is modern classification of element in form of modern periodic table. Here firstly we study that is Doberanus-State or classification of elements given by Doberanus. Then next classification of element given by Newlands, that is Newlands law of octaves, and then classification of element given by Mendeleev in form of Mendeleev's periodic table. All these three classifications are based on atomic mass number of element. But here now we study that is a modern classification of element, or that is modern periodic table. What is modern periodic table and how that elements are classified in this modern periodic table? Here in 1913, Henry Moseley gives classification of elements on the basis of atomic number. On the basis of atomic number, because here according to Henry Moseley, atomic number of element is a basic and fundamental property of element, but not a mass number. Previous scientists used the classification on the basis of mass number, atomic mass number. Hence this classification was not successful classification. But Henry Moseley found that atomic number of element is the base and is the fundamental property of that element. Means all the properties of elements are depend upon its atomic number, not a mass number. म्हणजे एलिमेंटच्या सर्व प्रॉपर्टीज या atomic number वर डिपेंड आहेत, त्या मास नंबर वर डिपेंड आहे. Means in this way, here atomic number of element is the fundamental property of element, means all properties of elements are depends upon its atomic number. All properties of elements depend upon its atomic number, not a mass number. And you know here what is the atomic number? Atomic number of element means number of proton or electron present in atom. Because you know here according to 9th class, that is number of proton and number of electrons are same into the atom. Hence that is called atomic number, and properties of elements are depend upon its atomic number, not a mass number. When elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers, Moseley arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic numbers in form of modern periodic table. And hence modern periodic table is called a long form of periodic table. Modern periodic table periodic table called long form of periodic table. Modern periodic table is called a long form of periodic table because all the demerits in Mendeleev's periodic table are totally corrected in modern periodic table except the position of hydrogen. Here, what is modern periodic table? Modern periodic table consists of horizontal rows and vertical columns, and elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers in horizontal rows and vertical columns. Here, modern periodic table consists of horizontal rows and vertical columns. Horizontal rows and vertical columns. Here, horizontal rows and vertical columns. Here, 7 horizontal rows are present in modern periodic table, and they are for periods. And 18 vertical columns are present in modern periodic table. They are for groups. 7 horizontal rows present in modern periodic table called periods, and 18 vertical columns present in modern periodic table called groups. That is a structure of modern periodic table, periods and groups. And here Henry Moseley suggests one law on the basis of this classification or related to this classification, and that is called modern periodic law. Modern periodic law Here, modern periodic law is the 4th law in this chapter. What is the statement of this modern periodic law? That properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. And that is the statement of modern periodic law, and this is the introduction of this modern periodic table. Here we start the modern periodic table, and this is totally the introduction of modern periodic table. In next period we study the elements in modern periodic table, particular periods in modern periodic table, then groups in modern periodic table, then blocks in modern periodic table, types of elements in modern periodic table, and properties of periods and groups. In this way, today we study only the introduction related to modern periodic table.